Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Monday CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Monday CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Monday CRM account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that managing and keeping in touch of a lot of different accounts or customers can be time consuming. And with Monday CRM, it helps you track all of your different customers along the way. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, monday.com/CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a Monday CRM account, you're going to click on Get Started up here on the top right, or right here in the middle. Okay, once you do that, Monday CRM is going to ask you to sign in with Google, or you can sign in with your email address to create your account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, I entered in my email. I'm going to click on Continue. Okay, next, Monday CRM is going to ask for your full name, create a password, and then also name your account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this in off screen. Okay, next they're asking what I'm going to use Monday CRM for: work, personal, school, or nonprofits. So I'm going to put work, and then what describes my current role. Okay, I'm going to click on Continue. Okay, now they're asking how many people are on my team and how many people work at my company, and I'm going to click on Continue. Okay, now they're asking what industry I'm in. So let me go ahead and put marketing, and what's my role. Okay, and Continue. Okay, now they're asking how I heard about Monday CRM. I'll put other. Continue. Okay, now they're asking if I want to invite any other team members into my Monday CRM. You can go ahead and invite them with their email right here. I'm going to go ahead and just close this out. Okay, now they're asking if I want to connect my Microsoft or my Google contacts. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Okay, now they're asking me to go ahead and name my contacts board. So let me go ahead and do this later. I'm going to close this down. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my Monday CRM dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start importing my contacts and start putting together deals to track in my Monday CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Monday CRM account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.